and runs to October 15th. And this year we had an Indigenous investigation. And to understand Latinx culture, you have to have a knowledge of the Indigenous peoples and where they came from. All of this beautiful cultural stuff is tied into Indigenous roots. Do we know Day of the Dead? Right? Dia de los Muertos? Do you know what Indigenous group that came from? Day of the Dead comes from the Aztecs. So it mixed with the Spanish. When they colonized Mexico, they took the traditions from the Aztecs and it turned into a new tradition known as Dia de los Muertos.
The Taino were indigenous people of the Caribbean, primarily inhabiting the islands of Cuba, Hispaniola, which is present-day Haiti and Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Jamaica, and the Bahamas before European contact.
They were the principal inhabitants of these islands from around 12,000 CE until the arrival of Christopher Columbus in 1492.
The Maya were an advanced Mesoamerican civilization that flourished from around 2000 BCE to 1500 CE. They primarily inhabited what is now southern Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, and some parts of Honduras and El Salvador. The Maya were not a single unified empire, but rather a collection of city-states and kingdoms.
The Inca were the South American civilization that flourished from the 13th century until the Spanish conquest in the 16th century. They created the largest pre-Columbian empire in the Americas, stretching along the western coast of South America from present-day southern Colombia to central Chile.
The Inca developed methods for freeze-drying foods like tuna, freeze-dried potatoes, that we still use today.
The term Aztec is often used to refer to the alliance of the three city-states, Tenochtitlan, Texcoco, and Teocopan, which formed the core of the empire. The Aztec Empire incorporated various ethnic groups and city-states. Some notable groups within the empire included the Mexica, the Tapunec, Acolua, Tlaxcaltec, Huastec, Totonac, and Otomi.